What's up, guys? If you want to see how I completed these braids, please stay tuned so you can get some info. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kia Amore, and I'm here today with a video on how to do box braids, knotless braids, feed-in braids, and feed-in cornrows. So we're going to start with Bridget. This is my cosmetology mannequin. She's been with me through the trials and the tribulations of cosmetology school and getting my license. So shout out to my girl Bridget for the come through, okay? So today I'm going to be using the Model Glance Formation Natural Touch Pre-Stretched hair. This hair comes with 3 in a pack. I have one that I'm preparing right now for the braids. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one piece of hair, I'm going to split it in half, and then I'm going to combine them, and they're going to form 2 loops, as you can see. So one loop is going to be split in half to make 3 equal parts. Okay, you see the 3? So I'm going to start by adding the hair to the base and splitting those legs to form the braid. So it'll be the right leg under the middle will go to the right, the middle leg goes to the left, over the left, right under middle, middle over left, right under middle, middle over left, right under middle, middle over left. But as you can see, the braid is not directly on the base. That could be due to not having any product on the braid before braiding it. So I will be using the Style Edge Booster for this tutorial. So when you add product to the hair, it makes it easier to grip the hair and make it neat. When you're braiding, you don't want to have your roots dragging or edges sticking out of the braid. It makes the braid look unkept and tacky, and it makes it easier for it to look older or look old after it's done. So now you're going to add the hair to the base, and you're going to braid right leg over under middle, and the middle leg over left, right under middle, middle over left, and you keep doing it until you complete the braid. Though you split that hair in the middle and it appeared as if it was 3 equal parts, now that you have been braiding, you will notice that 2 parts are smaller than the other. So what you do is to even it out, you take a piece from the thickest string and add it to the next piece of hair. This in turn will not allow the braid to look bumpy and unproportioned. The next braid that I'm going to show you is the individual feed-in braid. So what I do is I normally split the hair into 3 legs. Back to the legs again. I split them into 3 legs and I start them off as if I'm going to be just braiding the hair. So I'll do the right leg under the middle, and there's 2 ways to feed in this hair. 2 ways that I do. I take the hair and wrap it around my pinky. I don't know if you can see it, so I'm going to show you again. I take the hair, I wrap it around my pinky, wrap that hair into the middle leg between my thumb and index, and I'll do middle over left, bring the extension hair around to the right, right under middle, and add the extension hair into my middle, my index and thumb. So I wrap the finger around my pinky, add the hair into the middle leg. I'll do left, middle over left, bring the extension hair around, right under middle, and then add the extension hair in. That's the first way that I do it. And then I keep braiding. The second way that I do it is I take a piece of hair and I have it on my index finger and my middle finger, and I split them apart. I'll bring it to the braid and add it into the braid, or feed it into the braid. Put one leg in the middle, on the middle leg, and the other leg on the right leg. And I'll do left, middle over left, left, right under middle, middle under left, and right under middle. And I do it again. I take the 2 pieces of hair on my index finger and my middle finger, spread them apart, feed it into the hair, add one leg to the middle, add the other leg to the right, and now do middle over left, and right under middle. You see how close to the scalp these braids are? Neatness is key, guys. Next, I'm going to be doing a traditional cornrow. So I'm going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to split it in half. Okay, so I'm going to add the hair together and create 2 loops like the individual braid. And you're going to have the 3 legs. So I like to add one leg, the 2 separated legs, and place them on my middle finger to separate them to create 3. So when you add them to the base, make sure you place the knot on the base, and then you separate the hair. You go again, right under middle, middle over left, right under middle, and as you go move the legs, you bring in a piece of hair because you don't want to create a lazy braid. A lazy braid is a braid that has hair on the ends that appear to be as if they're sliding. You want all the hair to be intact and tight to give you a nice, crisp cornrow braid. What I was experiencing while I was braiding this braid was a little tightness in my hands. I was trying to grip the braid tight enough to where it wouldn't slip, so my hand started to cramp a little bit. So if you saw me flexing my hand, that's what that was. See how neat that braid is? The last braid I'm going to show you is the feed-in cornrow. So what I do is I take this a very small piece of hair and I split it in half and create two loops and do it how like I would do a regular cornrow. When I start to braid the hair, I braid little bitty pieces at a time to create that small, that graduated appearance. Now you can feed in your hair. I'm trying to get my hands out of the way, guys, so you can see. Out of all the braids, this is my favorite braid to do. I love doing feed-in braids. Like, just because since you have to add the hair into it, you can make it as small as you want at the top and as big as you want it at the bottom. Like, I love this style. I'm so sorry. I love this braid. Its glory. I love this braid. Oh my goodness. And there you have it. Your feed-in cornrow, your traditional cornrow, your knotless braid, or your feed-in individual braid, and your traditional box braid. Look at these beauties. Oh my lord. These are some beautiful braids. Go ahead, Bridget, show them your hair. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to fix my girl. If you like this video, please like it. Also, subscribe to my channel. On top of that, don't forget to hit that notification just so you can get updates on when I post new videos. You're loyal, you're beautiful, and most of all, you're brilliant.